Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the Google app or Chrome on your phone and granting microphone access. This lets Google capture your hummed melody. Once done, tap the mic icon and choose the hum, whistle, or song option to enter listening mode. Hum a concise 5 to 10 second phrase. Steady pitch and tempo improve matching. Make sure to avoid background noise because cleaner audio produces better fingerprinting and you'll get faster, more accurate search results. Now you record and refine. Hum the hook or chorus rather than long verses, as short motifs match databases more reliably. If the first take misses, try 2 to 3 variations. Slightly different timing or pitch helps the system find a pattern. Make sure you're a consistent distance from the microphone and reduce room echo. This reduces false harmonics. Once you have a clean take, Google analyzes melody, intervals, and rhythm to compare against its song model. You finish by reviewing Google's top matches. Listen to short previews and check artist and track details to confirm. If nothing looks right, rehum using a more distinctive section like the chorus, or hum slower to improve pitch accuracy. Make sure the app is updated, mic permissions are enabled, and restart your device if audio fails. These fixes resolve most problems. Finally, try a different ambient location or sing 1 octave higher or lower to help the algorithm catch the melody.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.